Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube imposters, commentators, or trolls. And Kathy has asked me to do this video. I got this as her other birthday present. There's a third one she wants. I'll go in half on that. We've been together for 46 years, so don't complain, don't make comments. I spend money on my girlfriend. If you don't like it, go spend money on your significant other, girlfriend, wife, or husband, depending on your sex. And leave me and Kathy alone. We love each other very much. And today, earlier in chat, they were saying we were having a lover's tip. Nothing could be further than the truth. We were having a lovely time together before I ever did the video. I love being with my girlfriend. I miss her, but we don't live together and we don't get to see each other very often. All right. She has had real problems with allergies. She's been in pain. And I have three, one here, one there, one on the floor. I'm going to move the other one that's over there. I didn't get to the bank today. I went to get money out of the bank, but I didn't get to get quarters. As I do more laundry in the hallway and put it away, I will make room for the fourth air purifier and move the ice maker with a table and the giant chair when I'm not using it into the hallway. And eventually the refrigerator will get moved. I have to move this entire bed frame out of the way to get it out the door. And I figured out what I can do with these two after I clear stuff out of the hallway. I've got a whole bunch of cans and bottles to take in next month. And that will get me cat money. So, or whatever, cat money. Alright, my chest is hurting because I got aggravated by someone who's been bugging me. Not to go with the beard, another person. They're really weird. Alright, this is the Honeywell air purifier, fresh air, small room air purifier up to 100 square feet. Don't ask me what 100 square feet room is. I have no idea. Captures certain microscopic airborne particles. Help capture the following microscopic airborne particles: dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite, debris, and smoke. Helps reduce odors. 4.8 room air changes per hour. 3 cleaning levels. Initial filter and directions for use included. The filter for these is about $18 at Amazon. I'm going to get Kathy to join Amazon Prime. I'm going to go over tomorrow and set up the Echo Show for her. And this is the instruction manual. I have one of these. It's a entry-level air purifier, but it does a fairly good job, and it's in Spanish and English, and I'm not sure what else. And it's very simple, really. The back has the filter. It comes in the front, goes out the back. You have a filter, a two-stage filter system, a filter and a pre-filter. It looks like a square, and it goes in the bottom of the air purifier like that. And you don't have to change it for about 2 or 3 months, depending on the level of dust and pollen and all that in the air. So, in fact, they don't give much for English here. They go immediately to French. Okay, so let's take this out. I'm not going to plug it in. I know exactly how this works. But I will take it out of the box. And on the side it says dust, pollen, I can't read that. I think that's in Spanish underneath. Yeah. Dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite, debris, and smoke. Well, Kathy doesn't smoke, so that's not going to apply. I'll get this out. And this cost me about $54 on Amazon. So, I think. But she has been in absolute misery and horrible pain. Her nose has been hurting her, her sore throat, blowing her nose, dripping nose. Okay, so Now, when I get the money, I'll get her another one. Of course, she'll chip in half, and we'll get her another one. Now, here's the. I'm going to take this off. I've had several air purifiers stop working. The Holmes ones I had for years stopped working. Okay. My finger hurts. I just put Neosporin on it. Okay, this is the controls here. You turn the dial, and it has three levels of 1, 2, and 3, and then there is a filter reset button. It lights up red or green. Green when the filter is new, red when it's time to change it. And in the back here is the filter with the pre-filter. And this is a U replacement filter. You can get these at Walmart. You can get these at Target. I don't know where else, but that's where I've gotten mine. And there's nothing to hold it in. So what I usually do is take a piece of tape and put it on each side so it doesn't fall out. I don't know why they don't have a door. That would have made sense. But what it does, it goes in through here, and there's the filter. I think there's a plastic cover over the filter. Oh no, it's got a bag. So I will take that off too. I didn't think about that. This is a HEPA clean filter. So it won't affect if it's back in the box overnight. And you can, if you want to save money, you can get an air furnace filter and put a new filter in here. So I'm going to keep this section and tape it to the manual so well, it says it on the filter. I don't have to do that. Okay. I will show her how to do this. And I don't remember what you do with this black thing. With the scissors. Oh, this is part of one unit. Okay. Some purifiers have it as a separate thing. So you just put it in there and in the front with the tab on. And the tab is so you can float out easily. And where the heck did it go? I'm going to cut this ugly bag off here. Okay, that's gone. But that's about it. You put the filter in the bottom, you turn it on to 1, 2, or 3. It will blow out cold air, and it goes up the top. The exhaust in the top, the dirty air comes in the front. That's it. So she never had an air purifier, so this will be a big help. It will make the rooms. I told her what you want to do with that is take the purifier and just, if you're not in there, close the room off for a while and let it run. So it purifies the room, and then you won't be sniffling and sneezing so much. I have to keep the door open here because it gets too hot in here, but this will make a big help for her. So I looked this up on Amazon and bought it. And now, of course, I can't get it back in the box. What did I do wrong? I think I turned it around the wrong way. Yeah, that's what I did. course, none of these things ever work exactly the way it went in the box. But it's very simple to use. So if you want to get a starter air purifier for someone who's having a hard time breathing, this would be the way to go. They put a big label over this. Oh no, it's empty. They put the label to deliver it and covered up the pictures in the back. It shows the purifier and a bed. So this can be next to Kathy's bed. All right, that's it for this one. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. And remember, you can become a channel member for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, or you see the content nowhere else. I've done 2 videos for the channel, 2 more videos for the channel members. Have a great night. Stay cool, stay dry, stay safe, stay wet, have a drink, get some rest, and I will see you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.